car number, let's see, I think that's the, what is it? 14J of Jason Jensen. The 71T of Jamie Tate. And we'll get the rest after they get rolling here. Here they come, they come, they come! Great flag, and we're racing!
And it's going to be that 197 of Kurt Neishwanger taking that early lead.
86J having trouble. So we've got the 116 car in the back. Let's see, what is the number? Shane Strotham in the 116, 73X Austin Fowler.
And Zach Horst is in the second spot right now. Melina Betzer worked away in the top 5, but in trouble with that 571 car.
Yeah, she's all over the place there.
Got bounced around in turns 1 and 2. Battle out front. Neitschwanger still holding off Orts.
The Hot Rod Lincoln hanging on to third. Maybe, not anymore. Hot Rod Lincoln is off the pace. Car 247. Greg Batelli having some major problems in his Hot Rod Lincoln.
Yeah, might find his way off the pace. Anyway, we got a new leader in the 143 of Zach Orts. Just took over the 197 of Kurt Neitschwanger.
Zach Orts raced here a few times this year on the Bandit Series. Now running in the 4A Bracket Series tonight.
Strothman, Jensen, and Fowler rounding off your top 5 right now. Tate in 6th, McCown in 7th. But it's still out front with that 143 of Zach Orts. Battle at 3rd now with Austin Fowler in that 73X, trying to make a move on Strothman as he beats him to the line. Orts in the lead. Neitschwanger losing some spots as Fowler worked his way on the low side to the high side.
Fowler, a Rockford Speedway veteran, looking to challenge Orts for the lead. Strothman on the move in the 116, followed by the 4th place car of Jamie Tate in that 71T. That's the transfer spot. The top 4 go to the feature. The rest have to race their way in.
Austin Fowler working his way up all the way from the back to the front. That 73X machine, now your leader. Strothman in 2nd.
And Orts going sideways out of 2 as Jamie Tate tries to take advantage of it. Jamie Tate now currently sitting 3rd. Orts sitting 4th. But here comes the 42 of Jacob McCown.
And trouble for the 116 of Shane Strothman as he's bouncing around off the wall. Stuck in the turns 1 and 2, and he's well off the pace now.
What a change of events as we've had, but Austin Fowler's going to bring him around to the lead, followed by Jamie Tate, followed by McCown, followed by Orts, maybe. Not anymore, it's Herb Moag that's going to take over for 4th in that transfer spot, the Sycamore Speedway car number 72.
Fowler, your leader. Tate 2nd, McCown 3rd, Moog now in 4th. Orts trying to hang on to that 5th spot in the 143, but he's got some trouble with Jensen and Betzler right there. Top 5 advance. 1 to go for Fowler. Top 4 advance.
So here we go, white flag out for Austin Fowler, followed by Jamie Tate. And then it's McCown. And then it's Moog. Oh. So the top 4, Fowler, Tate, McCown, Moog. 5th place to Zach Orts. 6th place to Melina Betzer. 7th place to Jason Jensen. 8th place to the 197, Kurt Neishwanger. And the 9th place to Mark McClawhorn in the 86J car. So how about that? Wow.